Hi, my name's Jack. Welcome to MailSlurp. In this video, I'll show you how to set up email device rendering to test your emails before you send them to clients. This works well with any marketing service such as HubSpot, MailChimp, Salesforce, or more. So the first thing we want to do is open up device previews in the MailSlurp app. So if I click on the device previews sidebar item, this brings up my device previews page. Here I can see previous renders I've done and start a new device render. So I'm going to click on New Render, and here I can see a selection of devices and an email address. So let's do a real example now. In MailChimp, I have a template that I'd like to send to my customers, but I'd like to make sure it works well on all their devices before I send it. So what I can do is I can click Send Test, and then I can send it to the email address I've created in MailSlurp. So back here, I can select the devices I want to render on, which includes Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Apple Mail, Android, iOS, iPad, and then I can use this email address associated with those devices and paste it into my test send modal. So I'll click Send Test in MailChimp now, click OK. Then I'll go back to MailSlurp and I'll click I have sent my email. Now it's waiting for an email from MailChimp. There it is. And if I click on View Results, it will now load the rendering page. So we can see that all the devices are now rendering my email. Okay, now we can see the results coming in. It's almost finished. And here we can see all our emails across different devices. Here is iOS Mail in dark mode. Here's Gmail Android. Here's Gmail Android in dark. And now I might want to compare these across different devices. So if I click Compare here, and I might want to see Gmail Lite. Here we can see light and dark mode in Gmail side by side. So these emails look good. I'm quite happy with that. And if I scroll up, I can add a comment if I like. I might leave a comment for my team saying, this looks good. Post the comment. And then I can share this device run with my colleagues. So if I click Share here, it provides me with a unique link. I can copy that. And if I go to my chat group, I can paste it into my team and they can open it themselves without having to log in. So now if I click this link, I can view all the renders that I just did. So what we've been able to do is test our MailChimp template before sending it to our customers, and to prove that it looks good across real devices. I hope that explains how email device rendering works on MailSlurp. If you need more help, please go to our main website, click on Resources, and click on Documentation or Examples. You can also click this Help button at any time to speak to one of us on the team. Thanks.